Now fourth question. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of the radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. See, a very important question and PYQ questions here. 2019 also they have asked this question. In 2020 also they have asked angle same 60 degree, but here they have changed here radius here. In the 19 they have given 4 centimeter. Now this year they have given 3 centimeter. Who knows, 2021 you may get 5 centimeter or else whichever the radius they will give. But you should be able to construct this, and which is very easy question for 2 marks and fixed question this is. Now we will construct a circle of the radius 5 centimeter here, students. Now we take 5 centimeter. Now first step is drawing first 5 centimeter radius circle. Now second step, we have to draw the radius of 5 centimeter. 2 radii we should draw. First we have to take angle between the radii. Angle between the radii. So how will you take this? We want a tangent inclined at 60 degree. This tangent should be inclined here 60 degree. Here if you want 60 degree, here it should be 180 minus 60. Now 180 minus 60, no doubt 120 degree you are getting. Now from here you have to construct 120 degree. So again take arc, cut 2 equal arcs. So first one is our 60, second one will be our 120. Now join this. Now angle between the radii 120 degree you have constructed. Now from here we have to take 90 degree and we have to construct 90 degree. The tangent will be automatically inclined at here 120 means here we will get 60 degree. We have to construct here 90 degree. Again take any measurement semicircle. Take 2 equal arcs. When we bisect this 60 and 120, you are getting 90 degree. Same for here. Now join this. You may check here, students. This will be our 60 degree. Now I will tell you how they will give here 2 marks for this construction of tangent inclined at 60 degree. See, first if you find this angle between the radii, half marks they will give. Now second, If you draw a circle, they will give you half marks. Again, if you draw these two radii, give you half marks. Now fourth, tangents, half marks, 2 marks here. Till now they have not asked justification. By chance, if they ask, for that what you should do? Should join this from the center of the circle to the, we will name here first, this will be center of the circle O, this will be our R, this will be our Q, and we may take here P. We will join this. Now justification should be done by you. You should join this OP. So afterwards joining this OP, you measure this OP length. See, they have given OR 5 centimeter. Why? Radius of the circle 5 centimeter. You have know the perpendicular length 5 centimeter. So by joining you measure this length also. Okay. So when you are knowing these two lengths, very easy to find this tangent length. So very easy. Again apply here Pythagoras theorem. OP square is equals to PR square plus OR square. So if it comes in irrational, don't worry. You keep as such in under root of. Okay. Don't get confusion here. Still now they have not asked justification. So don't worry about that. So you just concentrate on the constructing the tangent to the given circle.